Today 6 October Orbiton X daily combo. Today's cards. At first click Rigs. I will search first card Shitcoin collector and select and open. One card open. I will search second card timing click and search Phoenix Seller. I will select Phoenix Seller and click and open. I will search third card, click scam and search third card. I will select third card. Now click and open. You can say 3 card open and complete.